Hello and welcome to my channel Study Buzz. In this video, I will be discussing a theme of the novel, a major theme of the novel, Coolie, written by Mulk Raj Anand. So, I'll be talking about the theme of exploitation in the novel Coolie. Mulk Raj Anand is one of the pioneering figure of Indian novel in English. Mulk Raj Anand was a socially committed novelist and he has produced a good deal of literature. He has written more than a dozen novels and about 70 short stories and a lot of essays and articles on a number of subjects. In his novels, he focused his attention of the sufferings, misery, and wretchedness of the poor as a result of the exploitation of the downtrodden class of the Indian society. Coolie is Anand's second novel. The first novel was Untouchable. That is also one of the most famous novel by Mulk Raj Anand. Coolie is also a very famous novel, and it was written within 3 months and got published in 1936, within a year after publication of Untouchable. The novel Coolie was widely praised by the readers and the critics also. The novel was so popular that it was translated into more than 38 languages. Some call the novel as an epic of misery. It seems that Anand wrote this novel to expose the society based on distinction between rich and poor. Coolie shows the dissatisfaction against man's exploitation by man. In the society, there are many people who are being exploited or manipulated for the benefits of others. In his novels, Anand deals with the theme of poverty, exploitation, hunger, child labor, communalism, and sufferings of Indian masses. Coolie can be called a protest novel. It is a protest against injustice. The main theme of the novel is economic and social exploitation of the poor people by rich people. Coolie is the life story of Munnu. It tells us about the struggles and the hardships faced by a hill boy in a world which is ridden by exploitation. Munnu is the central character of the novel. He is an orphan boy of 14 years of age who is denied his fundamental rights. He lives with his uncle. One day he demands food and he is beaten up by his uncle. He is ill treated by his uncle and aunt. They want that Munnu should earn his living himself. Munnu, a young boy, is a victim of exploitation and he suffers very much when he has to work as a domestic servant in Babu Nathuram's house. Nathuram's wife abuses him and misbehaves with him. And in the next phase of his life in Daulatpur, he meets Prabha Dayal, the owner of the pickle factory, and his wife, who are kind to him. But the partner of Prabha Dayal, Ganpat, ill treats Munnu. Ganpat deceives his partner Prabha Dayal and leaves him bankrupt. As a result, the pickle factory is sold out and Manu has to work as a coolie again. Again, he has to fight for his survival. Munu is paid very low because of the tough competition of starving coolies, he finds hard to survive as a coolie. And again, a new phase, a new chapter begins in his life. A kind-hearted elephant driver comes to his help, and Munu reaches Bombay. In Bombay, he finds that poverty and hunger is on a very large scale here. He starts working in a cotton mill where the conditions are horrible. The picture of the dirt and squalor in which the factory workers live is very touching. The owner of the cotton mill also exploits the poor workers. In the last phase of his life, Munu finds himself at Shimla as the domestic servant and as a rickshaw puller of Mrs. Main Waring. The poor boy works very hard and pulls the rickshaw uphill for long hours and falls sick. At last, he passes away in the arms of his friend Mohan. To conclude, we can say that with the story of Munnu, writer wants to present class struggle and class exploitation. Munnu represents the millions of starving Indians, and uh, the insults and they are mistreated as animals till they die before time, till they die very young. Muno is a universal figure who represents the suffering of millions. The title of the novel also shows the misery of Indian masses. Anand wants to show that exploitation of the poor people is same everywhere. Munu is a symbol of child labor victimized by the exploitative capitalist system. So the novel talks about the exploitation which the central character suffers throughout the novel. So this is it about the theme of the exploitation in the novel Coolie. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.